guys, it's Mika from Lumi DIYs, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do a basic square knot. I'd really like you guys to watch this video because in my upcoming videos we'll be using this technique. You're going to start off by attaching your cord to another cord or your rod with what's called a lark's head knot. First, you are going to take a long piece of cord and fold it in half and pull the ends through the loop and tighten that. The square knot uses 4 cords. We are going to use the outer 2 cords to create our knot. We are going to start by taking the left cord and folding it across and over the center cords. Then we are going to take the right cord over the left, behind the center, and up through the loop made by the left cord. Then pull this to tighten, and then the first half of our knot is done. Now we're going to repeat this on the other side. Fold the right cord over the center 2 cords, then take the left cord over the right cord, behind the center cords and up through the loop, and pull nice and tight. Once we get to our next row, we are going to leave the 2 cords on the outer side out, and we're going to use the inner 4 cords and repeat this process again on both sides. You have learned how to do a square knot. Next week I'll be uploading a macrame bag tutorial using this technique. If you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!